Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi candy step by step. Start by melting white chocolate and folding in puffed rice to create a sticky rice candy base, then press it into a flat sheet and chill until firm. Prepare fruit leather strips to act like nori and slice mango or strawberry into thin slivers. Trim chilled candy edges for neat rolls and keep a clean tray ready for assembly. Choose your fillings with texture and flavor in mind so every bite feels like candy sushi. Use firm fruit such as mango or strawberry for neat, thin slices. A small dab of jam, caramel, or nut butter adds contrast without overpowering the candy rice. Keep wet fillings minimal to prevent sogginess, and chilling helps maintain structure. Practice a few rolls to find the ideal filling to rice ratio for clean, bite-sized pieces. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that keep your sushi candy fresh and transportable, perfect for gifting or picnics. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned earlier so you can grab them if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble on parchment and keep tools dry for smooth rolling and clean cuts. Lay a rice candy sheet, position a fruit leather strip, add thin fruit slivers, and roll gently to avoid cracks. Chill briefly between steps if the candy softens to maintain shape. Use small scissors to trim ends precisely and slice into bite-sized pieces. Serve on a platter with decorative garnishes to enhance presentation and make sharing easy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.